we only thought in some instances that they were coming to buy, but in other instances, as I understood, they were also coming to bring, because some of the dealers were from those other places like Beverly Hills or other places where they couldn't deal in their own communities, but they brought it here. So, and as an avenue of making money, to take care of whatever their needs are or were at the time, people gravitated to that as a way of survival. Do I condone that? No. Do I understand it? Yes, I do. I mean, it took a lot to, for parents to keep their kids on the straight and narrow, to try to keep them from belonging to games, to getting involved in things that you didn't want them to be involved in. But in my dissertation and in interviewing people, some of the myths that they have about why people do what they do were certainly not corroborated, because we had people who had both parents, mother, father, came from a family where they had things that they liked and needed. They weren't poor, but they still gravitated to doing wrong things, to breaking the law, because the influences of the peers and other people were greater than the influence of their parents. But the real deal was, when can we get back into society? When can we get back to living a life where we don't have to commit crime? When can we come out and get a job? When can we come out and be able to vote or participate in the political processes? When can we come out and go to an undergraduate program and get a loan, a grant to go to school? Can't do that if you have a criminal record. Can't get educated, can't get a job, can't live in low-income housing.
Exactly.
So, what is the person supposed to do?